17 LD.
Yes, to wanna watch out.
17 LD.
They wanna watch out everything going the back, the wrong things. Yeah, you don't know the thing I would say the truth. Where I would say the truth for the youth people. Don't rush anything, the wrong about you. If you're rushing, you don't go see the thing. Yeah, wrong, yeah. Watch out. I wanna show the thing about you. Looking, sharp, make not wrong. Money's paper, why you thinking? Everything's going back at for you. I wanna tell the truth for the youth people. Don't see the wrong. Yeah, I wanna tell the truth. One day you can see the light. Maybe we did for the darkness. Yeah, that's why you show the thing about you. What thing? Yeah, everything's going wrong about you. Don't understand the one I'm talking about you. What is happening to you? The money is paper. You write the money to the wrong thing. Yeah, tell the truth for the everybody. See, when I get in the time and everything the going the wrong about you, don't understand what I'm talking. Mama wanna tell the truth. Every day call you need the money, that one you write everything about. Yeah, rob the people to get the money. You don't know later anything that happened to you. Yeah. I know they say the truth for you. Woman. I'm gonna tell the truth. Got everything there. Every day you go the road to get the money. We take the man boy, everyone get it. Some things they never get fight you. The many things fuck you about the things suck. You don't know it is a project, everything's going about it later. You can see the wrong about you. Fine woman. You have many boys of your life. Yeah. Every day you get a time. You don't give it a time. You don't work about a life. You don't take it to baby. Yeah. Many people call you baby call you. Yeah, you can't do home to guide me and everything. Yeah, I wanna tell the truth for you. Watch out, baby. Tell the truth for the everybody. Money is paper. Don't rush the money. You can die for the anything. Nobody to show the thing about the wrong. Yeah. You know understand what I'm talking about you. Yeah. Many things going wrong. The people not understand. You rush the money. Boys. Yeah. Hey, you need the money. You need the cash. Everything you do in the bad things of life. Yeah. I will tell the truth for you. Don't care about the money. Money's paper. I don't see the thing they're going the wrong way. Yeah, do the right thing. God can help you. What is happening to you? You don't like the work. You need the quick money. I will tell the truth for you. Sweat before you get the money. People don't understand what I'm talking about you. Just tell the truth for you, mate. Yeah. Mr. Bernard, I want to tell the truth for the everybody, youth people. You will rush the money. That when I get a time, making a fuck you, baby. Listen to me the first. Yeah, you tell the truth for the woman instead of come back you. Or come back to you. Yeah, that's the one I'm talking. Yes, true, never fuck you.